Let's talk about Alan Wake error code access violation fix in a simple and calm way. We'll go step by step. But don't despair. Today we're diving deep into comprehensive troubleshooting steps designed to banish this access violation and get you back into the horrifying world of Alan Wake. Will ensure your journey through the dark place continues without interruption.
The first suspect in any mysterious game crash is often corrupted or missing game files. Steam, Epic Games, and other launchers have built-in tools to verify the integrity of your game installation. This process essentially scans your game directory, comparing your files to the official version and automatically redownloading any that are damaged or gone missing. It's a quick, non-invasive step that frequently resolves these pesky access violations.
Outdated or corrupt graphics drivers are a common culprit for performance issues and crashes, including access violations. Ensure your good drivers, whether NVIDIA or RAM, are fully up to date by downloading the latest versions directly from the manufacturer's website. Sometimes even a clean installation of these drivers can resolve underlying conflicts causing the error. Don't forget to check your chipset and other peripheral drivers too.
Running Alan Wake without proper administrative privileges can sometimes trigger access violation errors, especially if the game needs to write to protected system directories. Try launching the game's executable file directly as an administrator. Additionally, experimenting with compatibility mods such as Windows or can occasionally iron out issues with older game engines or specific system configurations. Many third-party applications and in-game overlays like Discord, GeForce Experience, Form Si Afterburner can sometimes conflict with Alan Wake, leading to crashes. Temporarily disable these overlays and any non-essential background applications before launching the game, but clean boot can also help identify if another program is interfering. Ensuring Alan Wake has all the system resources it needs to run smoothly.